All right, parents and friends, welcome back to our decoding and dictation. All right. So I have already written the words on our grid for today. And as you see, I wrote them in a way where you can see that we are changing either the initial sound, the middle sound, or the ending sound with the letter, okay? So we are going to get started and we're actually going to talk about how I have written the word and how we change the word to create a new word, all right? So let's tap out this first word. Book of bug. All right, let's talk about bug. What is the first sound that you hear in bug? It is B. What is the middle sound you hear in bug? What is the last sound you hear in bug? G. First letter is B, second letter is U, last letter is G. B-U-G spells bug. Now, going to the next word, my arrow means that we're going to this word. Parents, I've also changed the color of the letter that we're changing. So if you see, I don't suggest doing that immediately, but if you notice that they are struggling to identify the change from one word to another, I do suggest you doing this method. It may take a little bit more work, but it's worth it, okay? So, and I'll show you how I put it on our flashcards as well. So here I had two colors in the word. The color change, the new color means that is the change, okay? So who can tell me, how did I go from bug to this next word? I took the B sound and replaced it with the R sound. I brought over the and I brought over the G. So if I tap this new word out, it is rug, rug. I went from bug to rug by changing the B to R. Okay? So we have bug, bug. Then we go to rug, rug. All right? Parents, if you notice that they're having an issue, write the question down. And during our live session, I'll address it. I'll also go over this again today in our live meeting, okay? So let's now go to the next word. We went from bug to rug to rub. How did I get to rub from rug? Anyone know? I took away the G and replaced it with a B. Rug, rug is now rub, rub, okay, with a B at the end. How do we spell rub? R-U-B, rub. Good. Now, last word. We went from bug to rug, from rug to rub. Now I want to go from rub to tub. How did I get from rub to tub? I took the R away and replaced it with the letter T. I took the R sound away and replaced it with the T sound. What is the first sound you hear in tub? Second sound. Remember, sound means what you hear, not the letter, okay? So last sound. B, says pub. Good. Now, we went from bug, we changed the initial sound, parents and friends, and made it rug. Then we took the ending sound and made it rub. And then we took the initial sound again and made it tub. So bug, rug, rub, tub. Parents, for this activity, they are going to write the train like I have it. So bug, arrow to rug, arrow to rub, arrow to tub. And then they're going to draw a picture underneath of each word. So they're going to draw a picture of a bug, draw a picture of a rug, draw a picture of rub. That can be seasoning or actually someone being rubbed, and then a picture of a tub. We do not have to write the words and sentences. They just need to write the decoding train and then draw a picture underneath of it, okay? So again, parents, we went from bug to rug to rub to tub. And as you see, I took those words and I put them on paper index cards. And you would add these paper index cards to the paper index cards that we made yesterday with our words and our sentences. So I have, what's this, friends? Tub, rub, rug, bug. Parents, please make sure you hear those sounds when they're saying it. I have to remember when we were in the classroom, I had to go back continuously. I can't hear that ending sound because hearing the ending sound and the beginning sounds and all the sounds is very important, all right? So I will see you in our next video where we will be going over our trick words. All right.